Today we have a dryer, the model number, and it's not heating. So here's the control board relay issue. You have to screw all these Phillips screws. Here's we have to push it from here, and you will take it off both sides. So you should take the all wires off. Start from the user interface. After taking all wires off, you have to push from this side. Take it off. We have the same control board here. We will install new one. The same way. Put everything back. Most of the time these parts are going bad here, but my problem is this.